Hey, I'm obviously in the bathroom. I have here is a Homitt or Whole Life. It's a powered wireless scrubber. Why is it powered? If I press this, it spins, and that's it. This comes with a little hook, and I was wondering what this was, and I realized when it was doing that, maybe that was something to do with that. It's meant to something to hold it down. There's something not clamping it down for sure, which is a little annoying. Maybe you have a twist tie to hold this down. So you have this 3 brushes, no, 4 brushes here. This thing as well. So 2 flats and 2 round ones. That's meant for like a toilet bowl. These are for corners. And that's the charger. It's proprietary and it's international charging, even though it looks like it's just for UK. It does 100 volts to 240 volts. And it comes into 3 pieces. You could take this off and you could just press this and unhook this. It's quite easy. I don't have 2 hands right now to pull it apart, but I'll show you in a bit. And this is to lengthen it. So this is maximum of 120. So maybe I could just pull this apart from here. And this button is to angle it. So, and it stays pretty firm. And yep. So let me just show you how to take this apart right now. And that off it goes, and that's it. And then to put it back on, it's quite simply just align it and then snap it back on. That's it. So people say that the length of this could be a bit too short for the taller folks, but this is definitely shorter than a mop. But yeah, let's see how it works. So I think having it angled, you think, should be easier. Yeah, it makes sense. Because I'm coming at an angle. Let's do this. Let's make the best out of this. I'm on my left hand right now. Let's probably not do that. Let's put on my right hand. So, and this thing turns on. And so I got this going on. So it does wiggle a bit. Let's turn this off. It does wiggle a bit. So I am still standing. I don't have to bend over. I'm 5'6", and I could definitely scrub like this. So let's continue. The sound is not too loud. It's not too in your face. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, you see that orange gunk there? I just don't like lime scale. This is what I don't like about London. It's just, yeah, maybe I should move to Scotland. Oh, it picked up hair from there. Gross. Well, I guess that's what it's supposed to do anyways. I don't want to go in there anymore. So anyways, let's see here. Let's give it a close-up. See how it's doing apart from that gross thing. Let me take it off. That's just too gross. Ugh. And get a bit of tissue. And let's just remove that. That's just gross. Okay. Let's get back to action. So, I'm not, it doesn't take too much effort. I got in one hand on this. And it's, of course, I can't remove. Looks like a massive calligraphy brush, for sure. It's okay, actually. It spins in one direction. I wish it spins in a different direction as well, because it makes it really hard. If I go like this, it wants to go this way, because it's spinning, of course. It wants to go in one direction. Yeah, it can only go in one direction. It actually guides you. Like that. If you're going like this, you're going against the grain. I think I did a pretty good job because that strip was pretty orange. Let's look at that. You see it's orange. Let's just put it to work there. And yeah, did all right. Oh, I don't want to pull that out again. That's just gross. I'll do that later. Yeah, that's a bit of black mold. I need to get bleach on that. That you definitely need to get bleach. But what it did get rid of is the orangeness of these things, and that's not too settled in yet. That's not permanent. Maybe I should have left this limescale killer a bit longer. Let's see. So, let's look at the tip of this thing. It's all right. It's quite good. When I say all right, as in it's rough. It's got some brushing abrasiveness, and I could get rid of stuff. So, kudos. And look, show how filthy my bathroom is, and I'm just actually cleaning up. So this is like the this is like not so nice because you have to like utilize your wrist and everything. Here you just turn this on, you just plank it. That's it. Done deal. I get it. It's quite good. All right. Now, let's just remove this and change it to something else. How can I remove this? So it looks like this in the black. It looks like it's clipped on. I don't know. So basically you just use two hands to pull it out. It wasn't that difficult. And that was it. And then you just snap it in. So that's it. You see? It wasn't too difficult. And then you snap it. Sorry. I got too arrogant. I thought I got it through, but I didn't. There we go. See how it guides me? It's like I'm a polisher. Some people would probably prefer two hands on this. I saw a guy who actually tied another stick to the front, like used a twist tie, attached another stick, so then he could use two hands operating this like a V. So, very clever. Now I got this, and then I could, whoa, it's like going all over the place. Yeah. Whoa. Obviously, because this thing is rotating really fast. It's definitely it does the work. Oh, we could see that. It's like waxing. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little preview there. I think it is worth it because you don't have to scrub all the time. You just got to do this, and that's it. It sorts it out. You got to sometimes control it though because it's spinning really fast. Anyways, man, that's some really tough limescale there. I got to leave that a bit longer, the limescale remover. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little review, and if you'd like to see more of these, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.